guys here? What do you guys have for us today?
So basically, we are organizing an event called Redemption Party, and it's going to be a party that we're going to host on April 15th, which is going to be next Saturday from 11 p.m. till 4 in the morning.
Okay.
So you got to be ready for this one. There's going to be dancers from Energy Dance. There's going to be DJ Ramiro Brett and DJ Aguilar, and it's going to be at Medusa, which is a very popular nightclub here in Aruba. And you can win gift certificates if you buy tickets from, for example, Gianni's group to eat out. You can win like gift certificates from Fadavas, Pelican Adventures, name it. Everything, 15 prizes that you can win in total. So buy your ticket. Buy it at either Hoya, Yegap store, or Café Tostada, which is in the university. And we have to do this project from the university to raise funds for a nonprofit of our choice. And we're going to do it for Crijojo Trappers. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like an organization that helps animals on the island, especially stray animals that need sterilization to keep the animal population just balanced so it doesn't, get out of hand, so to speak. They also help animals that are hurt, wounded. So, of course, it's a very emotional cause, and we wanted to do something to raise funds, spread awareness to especially young people. Best way to do that, right? Party. So that's all.
Perfect. And so tell us, why did you choose Crijojo Trappers as the organization to raise funds for?
So basically, we both have two dogs, and we are very touched by all things animals. And we noticed in Aruba that in some places, not the touristic places, of course, but there are other areas where you can see a big difference in how many dogs there are and how many animals need help. Sometimes you can physically see they're not doing well. And for example, I used to live in Curacao. Bad situation there when it comes to stray animals. So of course we were motivated by that to choose Crijojo Trappers for our cause.
Okay, and tell us a bit about your class that you're actually taking and how this relates to, the fundraiser and everything.
So our class is MICE. It's called MICE. It's kind of like event management. And they wanted us to organize an event for a nonprofit, and that's our big assignment. So a lot of students have to do it. So you'll see a lot of students this month coming up with events. And that's why we wanted to choose something big, even though we're only with two to organize it. So it's a little stressful, but bear with us. We're doing pretty good.
No, definitely. I can see you're doing really good. Tell us, how many do these tickets cost to go to this amazing event?
25 florins each. And with that ticket, like I said, you can win amazing gift certificates, 15 prizes. You can get one free beer. If you're the first 100 people to arrive, will get one free beer for sure. So that's also a big motivator to go, you guys. Definitely, if you want to drink, have fun, see dancers from Energy Dance, listen to cool techno music from DJ Aguilar and DJ Ramiro Brett, I would suggest get your ass on April 15 to Medusa from 11 p.m. till 4 a.m.
Perfect. That sounds like a fun party.
Of course.
Definitely. And Maria, what is your role then also in this event?
We are doing it together. I'm more focusing on marketing and promotion, and we both are doing public relations. And also, Camille, it's focusing more on the financial part. She has more control on that, on math part. And also PR, because we're only two. So it's a little bit hard. At the end, we're doing everything together. But yeah, it's very nice. Also, we wanted to share that through Instagram, we're doing a giveaway.
Ooh.
There are 3 steps. So you just have to like the post of the giveaway. Follow us on Redemption Party. It's at Redemption Party at Redemption_Party. And also sharing your story. And you can win 2 tickets of this party. And also the same way you will be participating for the prizes. You can win your beer, everything.
Perfect. So you guys heard it at Redemption_Party.
Yes.
That's the Instagram handle. There you can follow the page, like the post, and share it on your story, and get a chance to win 2 tickets to this event that's going to be happening on the 15th of April at Medusa, starting at 11 p.m. to 4 o'clock in the morning with DJ Ramiro and DJ Aguilar. So do not miss out.
Totally. Thank you guys from our end. So we wish you all the best with the fundraising event. And it's amazing that you guys choose Crijojo Trappers to give the fund And enjoy the process from creating the whole big event, just you two. I know it's stressful, but you girls can make it.
Thank you.
Well, we hope to see you both at the event. And,
Yes.
let's see how it goes. And we're really grateful that we got to be here and talk about it.
We want to give you the mic to send an invitation out there to everyone to join us or join you guys, on the 15th of April.
Okay, so basically, you guys, you heard it. Redemption party at Medusa from 11 p.m. till 4 a.m. DJs, DJ Ramiro Brett, DJ Aguilar. We have a host, Agmir Vespre. And we have gift certificates, one free beer if you're one of the 100 first arrivals. So definitely go check it out. Buy it, Hoya, 25 Florence at Hoya, Yegap store, or Café Tostao, which is near the university. So please check it out with the money that you spend on the tickets. Not only will you maybe get a free beer, maybe get like something to win, you will also support Crijojo Trappers in their cause. So think about it, do something.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Camille.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you.
You asked for it. Your favorite song next.